Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing the Toyota Tundra's bed extender. We had to install it and we'll be unboxing it and installing it into the truck in case you don't know. So that's the bed extender. Came in this humongous box. We'll unbox it. It's huge. Yeah, it comes with instructions, which are pretty easy, and the hardware kit, which we'll open up. Yeah, we'll open up the hardware kit. Unbag the hardware kit and see what we need, the tools we need to install it. Absolutely well. Alright, so it's not even that hard. It's got 4 bolts, some decals, and then the installation plate so you can rotate the bed extender in or out. You got one for the left and one for the right. We'll see what star adapter we need. Let's see. Looks like it's the T40. Alright, so I'm gonna get my coat on. Here you go, I have the coat on. Let's go outside. Let's walk out to the truck to get this installed. I got a DeWalt power tool. This will make it a lot easier to install it. Okay, so before we can install the brackets, we have to uninstall the hooks, and then we're gonna reattach them with the new bracket on. So I'll show you. So if you have power tools, especially like the DeWalt's, it makes it a lot easier to do this. So this one, the left one, goes on this side. And we're going to use the new black screws they gave us. So you're going to take it, and just put the screw through, start them first. I always think it's better to start them than to try to just go crazy on them. Okay, so go as hard as it can without over tightening them. What I do, just to make sure, I always use a ratchet just to make sure it's not over tightened. Yeah, it's way tight. Now let's go to the other side. They're pretty in there. Like I said, having the DeWalt power tools makes it way easier to do a job. So it's always better to just start them and go slow. I just make sure that it's tightened down pretty good. Sorry guys if the sun's in my face. So now we're going to put the bed extender in. I'll show you how to rotate it and attach it to a bed when it's with the tailgate when it's open. Let me go get the bed extender. So here's the bed extender, guys. So to install it, you kind of got to lift it up and it slides right in. So this is what the bed extender looks like when the bed's extended. And then that's where they get attached to. Just in case you didn't know. And there. Now nothing will come out. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. You can pull it down and adjust it. And to release it, you just gotta pull the handle. Pops right out. Alright, now we'll flip it in so you can see what it's like inside. So that's what it looks like when it's turned inside to the bed of the truck. That way it creates a little storage space so you don't have all your stuff falling all over the place. Hey guys, if you guys like this video, please give me a like and a subscribe. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Thanks guys. Yeah, I better hurry up and get ready for work. I gotta eat lunch. Making these videos is taking up some of my time.